If you use iPhone for a long time, you may know that it is extremely difficult to change or fake the GPS location on iPhone. There is no app on the official App Store that allows you to perform this operation, so it's difficult for non-jailbroken devices to do that. But the good news for you guys is that in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use UltFone iOS location changer to perform this operation on computer without installing any software on your iPhone. Now, let me show you how to use it. You can find the free download link in the description. Let's get started. First, download and launch UltFone iOS location changer on your computer. Then connect your iPhone so that it can be recognized. On the main page, you can see 4 functions. This time we only need to select the first function to change location. So we read and approve the disclaimer. Then click the enter button. Then you will see where you are now. You can select any location you want to change on the map, or enter the place you want to go in the search box. And then click Start to modify. Before the start, you will be prompted to turn off the positioning software. Click to continue after turning off. Wow, you can see my position is in Paris. If you want to go back to the actual location, tap the right lower corner. There is a Restore the True Coordinate button. Then your iPhone will restart and back to the true location. That's it. Besides, UltFone iOS location changer supports single spot movement, multi-spot movement, joystick movement. UltFone iOS location changer also works with location-based apps, such as Pokemon Go and Life 360. So guys, that's all for today's video. If you think this video is helpful, don't forget to give it a thumb up. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day. See you.